Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Stengler. As a naturopathic medical doctor, I know it's indisputable that the gut affects all organs and cells of the body. So in my upcoming summit, the Gut Whole Body Connection, Integrative Approaches to Holistic Health, I go into detail with experts from around the country how to solve digestive problems, irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, constipation, diarrhea, acid reflux. But we go beyond that. We go into how the gut affects, again, everything in the body. So how can you affect the brain function, eye function, skin health, hair health, nail health, joint health, your liver function, all the systems of the body, including the immune system, if you're prone to autoimmune disease, even cancer, cardiovascular disease. So I have all these experts on the summit, and we're going to dive into how by healing the gut, you can affect the access or the connection to all these other organ systems of the body. So it's very exciting stuff. So join me and my experts as we give you information you need to achieve great health and whole body health.